Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay the Motor Marauder back again with another video on the Yamaha R7. Now, as you guys see, it's just from the last video, but we're gonna go on a ride now. I'm done talking while standing around the bike. I'm itching for a ride. We go and get our fix in for the week because it's gonna be raining all week. I don't know if I'm gonna be commuting on the R7 to work this week because it's gonna be torrential rain on the highway. I'll probably take my sister's car, my brother's car. I may take my brother's A4 to go to work this week. But, ooh, that sounds amazing. Let's hear that again. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. Alright, let's go on a bit of a little ride. Let's do a little motor vlog and then let's head on home and get some food because I'm starving, man. I am starving. I honestly hope the audio is good because I masked off a couple of events with some packaging tape for now. I opened up the visor a little bit to get some airflow because my glasses are fogging up. It is a colder day. Look at us in the mirror. Look at us in the mirror. Hello. Hello. How's it going? I should have taken a turn here, but that's fine. My glasses. Let's go. Let's go. No car coming. Let's go. Helmet is loose, man. I've been losing a bit of weight, so my face is getting like not as heavy. The helmet's getting loose on me. And just my luck, when I'm doing a riding video, is it decides to start. The weather decides to rain a little bit. It's alright, this is our last one for the day before we head on home. Oh, it feels so good. It feels good hearing the backfiring of this thing, man. Beautiful. Oh yeah, today's video is about don't rely on others. That's the main topic of today's video. Just don't rely on others. Honestly, actually, no. I don't know. I don't want to do like a whole motivational speech thing right now. So we're just gonna ride and see if anything happens. If nothing happens, this video's not gonna go out. We'll see what's up. Of course, it starts to rain. Of course, it starts to rain. Just my luck. This whole day has been a little bad luck. I keep getting caught in rain. I have the insulated pants. So that's fine. My legs will be fine, but my arms are gonna be completely soaked. The bike's gonna be soaked. The bike's gonna need to be cleaned. Soon, probably. Yeah, so this entire day I've just been out. Well, I woke up, had some coffee, filed my taxes, thanks CRA, and now just recording a couple of motor vlogs, and just having a good time before I go on home to edit these vlogs, and just do things on the PC, code a little project. I'm currently working on a website, and I'm trying to brainstorm an app idea I have, and I just want to spend time doing that. I've honestly found the past few months I can't really sit down and work on the computer outside of my day job. I just get sick and tired of being on the PC for so long. I think it's from working remote or doing school remote and everything for computer science, coding projects, and ethical hacking projects and all that. I was just constantly on the PC and at my desk like 15, 18 hours a day. I honestly feel like I probably got some digital burnout. I still do a little bit, but I work around it. I got a desk riser so I can stand when I work at home, when I feel like coding or stuff like that. I work out every morning, and I found that when I do cardio after my workout, I do a bit of that. If I do a bit of the HIIT cardio, my mind stays sharp and fresh for the entire day while I'm at work. So then by the time I have to do my own thing, I still have some mental capacity, some mental energy and capacity to just do my own thing. Like honestly, working on the website I've been working on, it's been amazing that I got that like 75 complete in like 2 days, and now I'm just fine tuning it, adding in things, testing things with it. Honestly guys, quick shifter game changer going from stop. Love it. I finally figured out which RPM to like keep the bike at when I do it so it doesn't feel jumpy. I thought it would be about 4,500, but no, it's more closer to 6,000 RPM, which is nice to be honest. It feels so smooth. I can't. It feels honestly feels very very smooth. It's nice. It's very nice. Everyone's probably like, why is this guy going on the bike in the rain? I'm like a crazy person today. I'm the crazy one riding around in the rain on the bike. It's not my fault. I get caught up in the rain, guys. What else need motovlogs? I've seen growth. I've seen growth with the R7 and I don't want to stop. Honestly, don't want to stop with this, man. I don't want to stop. I see growth on the channel. People are liking the R7. They're liking the content I'm making with it. I'm liking the stuff I'm making with it. So why stop, you know? I want to end the video here. I don't think much else is going to happen in the next like 10 minutes by the time I get home. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. Real quick. Just pretty much just popping in saying hi. I'll catch you on the next video, alright? See ya.